JavaScript interview questions and answers. JavaScript interview questions and answers. Beginner means advanced. Introduction. This is a structured set of common JavaScript interview questions with clear answers. It covers fundamentals, functions and scope, async programming, objects and prototypes, browser behavior, advanced concepts. This is one of the most common interview formats used for front-end and full-stack roles. 1 to 20. JavaScript Basics. 1. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a high-level, interpreted programming language used for web development, both front-end and back-end. 2. What are the data types in JavaScript? Primitive, string, number, boolean, null, undefined, big int, symbol. Non-primitive. Objects. 3. Difference between var, let, const. Var means function scoped, hoisted. Let means block scoped. Const means block scoped, immutable reference. 4. What is hoisting? JavaScript moves declarations to the top of scope during compilation. Example, console.log x. Var x equals 10. 5. Difference between $x and $xx. $x means type coercion allowed. $x means strict comparison. 5XX5, true. 5XX5, false. 6. What is nan? Not a number, returned when invalid math operations occur. 7. What is undefined versus null? Undefined means variable declared but not assigned. Null means intentional empty value. 8. What are truthy and falsy values? Falsy. 0, null, undefined, nan, false. Everything else is truthy. 9. What is strict mode? Use strict. Enforces safer JavaScript rules. 10. What is type coercion? Automatic conversion of values between types. 11 to 30. Functions and scope. 11. What is a function? A reusable block of code. 12. What is a callback function? A function passed as an argument to another function. 13. What is an IIFE? Immediately invoked function expression. Function, console, console log. 14. What is scope? Global scope, function scope, block scope. 15. What is lexical scope? Inner functions can access outer variables. 16. What is closure? Function plus lexical environment. Function outer. X equals 10. Return function inner. Console log x. 17. What is recursion? Function calling itself. 18. What is arrow function? Short syntax function. Const add equals a b equal a plus b. 19. Difference between arrow and normal function. Arrow means know this, normal means has this. Refers to the object executing the function. 31 to 50. Objects, arrays, and prototypes. 21. What is an object? Key value collection. 22. What is prototype? Object from which other objects inherit. 23. What is prototypal inheritance? Objects inherit from other objects. 24. How does inheritance work? Via prototype chain. 25. What is array? Ordered list of values. 26. Map versus for each. Map means returns new array. For each means no return. Returns filtered array. 28. Reduce reduces array to single value. 29. What is JSON? Data format for storing, transferring data. 30. JSON versus object. JSON means string format. Object means JS structure. 51 to 70. Async JavaScript. 31. What is synchronous? Code executes line by line. 32. What is asynchronous? Code runs independently. 33. What is event loop? Mechanism handling async tasks. 34. What are microtasks? Promises. 35. What are macro tasks? Set timeout, set interval. 36. What is a promise? Represents future value. Let P equals new promise, resolve, done. 37. Promise states, pending, fulfilled, rejected. 38. Async await, cleaner way to handle promises. 39. What is callback hell? Nested callbacks causing unreadable code. 40. How to avoid callback hell. Check. Promises, check. Async await. 71 to 85. DOM and browser. 41. What is DOM? Document Object Model. 42. What is event bubbling? Event moves from child means parent. 43. What is event capturing? Parent means child. 44. What is event delegation? Using parent to handle child events. 45. Local storage versus session storage. Local storage means permanent. Session storage means temporary. 46. What is cookie? Small data stored in browser. 47. What is CORS? Security policy for cross-origin requests. 48. What is fetch? API for HTTP requests. 49. What is debounce? Delays function execution. 50. What is throttle? Limits function execution rate. 86, 100. Advanced JavaScript. 51. What is closure used for? Check. Data privacy. Check. Function factories. 52. What is memory leak? Unused memory not freed. 53. How to prevent memory leaks. Clear remove listeners. Clear references. 54. What is call, apply, bind? Call means immediate. Apply means array args. Bind means returns function. 55. What is module pattern? Encapsulating code. 56. ES modules versus CommonJS. ES modules means import-export. CommonJS means require. 57. What is tree shaking? Removing unused code. 58. What is event loop starvation? Blocking async queue. 59. What is garbage collection? Automatic memory cleanup. 60. What is performance optimization? Improving execution speed and memory usage. Final summary. JavaScript interviews focus on CC fundamentals, execution model, async programming, DOM behavior, performance, real-world patterns. Key idea. Understanding how JavaScript works internally is more important than memorizing syntax.